दो टके के आतंकवादी भारत सरकार को चैलेंज करके चले गए। मेरी बहू से कहा कि मोदी को बता देना, मैं तुझे नहीं मार रहा हूँ।
A woman who lost her husband just a week after their marriage. A 2-month-old marriage came to an abrupt end when a 31-year-old Shubham Dwivedi was shot dead. The butchers of Pahalgam chose not to kill his wife so that she could tell all this to Modi. A 9-year-old son became an orphan after a bullet suddenly hit his father. A family of 5 that somehow managed to protect itself in a tent was not spared either. 54-year-old man was asked to come out, recite Islamic verses, and when he failed to do so, 3 bullets were pumped into him. In their trembling, shattering voices, families of the Pahalgam victims are sharing what they saw, what they went through.
तो मेरे हस्बैंड बोले कि गोली मत मारो, तो इनको भी इधर शूट किया। पूछा कि हिंदू कौन है और मुस्लिम कौन है।
As survivors recall the tragedy that fell upon them on that fateful day, terrible, heart-wrenching tales are emerging. While those who were brutally killed have been given an emotional farewell, the invisible wounds that this incident has inflicted on the minds and hearts of the families left behind is going to last forever. Be it Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha, whole country is in a state of shock. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, this was really an attack on India's soul.
ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है, देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है।
Government's measures to punish the perpetrators is in place. Action has intensified in the power corridors of India. A diplomatic strike has already been launched. As we sit around a table to cover all these important developments, we at Times Now thought the documentation of the horror that these survivors faced is equally important. They deserve to vent out what they bore. They deserve to speak about the massacre. Accompanied by his wife and just 18-year-old daughter and a few other family members, Atul Mone was one of the 28 victims of Pahalgam. Viewers, 3 male cousins of this family were killed one after the other. One of them was shot at point-blank range. Their faith, their only crime.
गोलियां चलाने लगे वो। हमारे साथ में जो थे ईमन जोशी, वो बोले कि क्या हुआ है, आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, तो उनको डायरेक्टली हमारे सामने इधर शूट किया। तो मेरे हस्बैंड बोले कि गोली मत मारो, तो इनको भी इधर शूट किया। पूछा कि हिंदू कौन है और मुस्लिम कौन है, तो मेरे जीजा ने हाथों पर किया, तो इनको इधर डायरेक्ट शूट किया। हमारे सामने ही सबको मारा।
The 31-year-old victim got married just 2 months before the fateful event. 2 months is all he got to spend with his partner. When asked to read Kalma, when questioned about his religious identity, Shubham could not understand what was happening. He was shot dead. What is even more heartbreaking to know is his wife was spared by these Pakistani cowards so that she can narrate all this to PM Modi.
हमें पता ही नहीं, हम पीछे पलट के देखे हो क्या रहा है। हम उसकी तरफ स्माइल करके पूछे, भैया क्या हुआ, यार हिंदू है मुसलमान। मैंने कहा हिंदू, मार दिया। पहली गन उसी पे चलाई, उसके बाद 70 लोगों को मार दिया। क्यों मार दिया?
सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए उनके ऊपर। ऐसी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए कि 2 टके के आतंकवादी भारत सरकार को चैलेंज करके चले गए। मेरी बहू से कहा कि मोदी को बता देना, मैं तुझे नहीं मार रहा हूँ। सरकार को ऐसी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए कि वो 7 पुश्तों तक भूल जाए किसी को मारना।
And not just Hindus. Sushil Nathaniel, a 58-year-old LIC branch manager from Indore, who was a Christian by faith, was also asked the same questions. His son, who somehow managed to survive the carnage, narrates the horror. What was supposed to be a memorable Easter vacation in the hills, a moment to celebrate a birthday, ended up being a nightmare for life. I couldn't save him, says his wife Jennifer.
मेरे मिस्टर ने मेरे को धक्का दिया झाड़ के दूसरे पीछे और फिर उनको बोलते कि ना तुम कलमा पढ़ो। मेरे मिस्टर को बोला तो मेरे मिस्टर ने बोला मैं तो क्रिश्चियन हूँ, ईसाई हूँ, मेरे को कलमा नहीं आता। उसने सच बोला ना, सच बोला ना। उसको नहीं आता, हमको भी नहीं आता, शायद आप दोनों में नहीं होंगे तो आपको भी नहीं आता।
Amid the stories of these victims is also a tale of a brave heart. The lone Kashmiri Muslim, a local resident of Pahalgam, a contractual pony handler, working for a meager 300 rupees per day. Without thinking about his own safety, Adil bravely confronted these terrorists. Adil was shot thrice. 2 bullets pierced through his neck, 1 through his shoulder.
बहुत फकर है उसकी शहादत पे। उसकी फकर के लिए मैं इस वक्त जिंदा हूँ, नहीं तो उसकी जवानी, उसकी शक्ल, उसकी ये देखकर मैं भी मार जाता फिर उसी वक्त।
Not only his father, but entire India is extremely proud of this brave son of the soil who took the bullets for people who he didn't know. And viewers, these are just some of those tragic, heartbreaking tales that will forever scar our collective conscience.